Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, the Mirage SEO strategy for higher rankings in 2020. And I call this the Mirage SEO strategy because your competition will see your rankings growing and getting higher in Google, but they'll be like, this page does not have any links. What is going on? It's like a mirage. They see you ranking, but they don't see anything else. They see the benefit, but nothing is pointing to your site. So this is the Mirage SEO strategy, and I actually stumbled across this after running numerous Google ad campaigns. And if you have had any experience with Google ad campaigns, you know that you build out several pages that are all duplicate, and in order not to run into any trouble with duplicate listings, you use something called the rel canonical attribute. Now, let's just cover this very quickly. But before we do, I need you to stick with me. This is an ultra powerful SEO strategy that will increase your rankings, and it's great if you have a PBN. If you want your competition not to see links, if you want to have a campaign that is ultra powerful that no one will be able to copy, and if you stick with me just a little bit longer after that, towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can create a hidden PBN that will be super powerful. But first, let's just jump into what exactly is a canonical URL for anyone out there that does not know. A canonical URL refers to an HTML link element with the attribute of rel canonical found in the head element of your web page. It specifies to search engines your preferred URL. Like I mentioned, we were running numerous campaigns, and how this came about was we had a main page, and I made 10 different pages or more, but just for sake of example, we made 10 pages, and we used the rel canonical tag saying that we are duplicating this page, and let's say that these are the 10 duplicates. These are all duplicate pages, okay? So I started sending links to these pages, backlinks from other websites. So I started sending links to these duplicate pages, but they were all going back to the main page because they were duplicates. And what we started to notice was a significant boost in ranking because we were sending on the greater hat of links to these duplicates. But we started to notice a higher ranking boost in Google on this page, the canonical page. And as we started deep diving and looking, we could not find the links, the backlinks. And if you're running a PBN, this is super beneficial because no one will see your links, but your pages will be boosting. So let's just go over this, and let me explain how we've been implementing this recently to really power up each of our pages. So let's just jump into that right now. So we have our main website, and this is the Mirage strategy. This is a mini silo PBN within your site. This strategy, no one else is going to share this with you. This is super powerful stuff. Stick with me here. So each of your sites, so let's just say you have your home page, right? You have the contact us page, contact us. You have your main ranking page with, okay, so homepage, contact page, main ranking page, and then within that main ranking page, you have a little silo that's supporting content. So supporting content, supporting content. Now, along with that, so we have our homepage, our contact page, our about us, all right? So, and this is off of the main page. And then these are just your filler pages. You could also have your facts. Okay, so this is the FAQ page. All right, and so on and so forth. But this is off of our main page. This is our main ranking page. All right, and this is a silo. Now, off of that, we have yet another main ranking page. Now, a main ranking page, if you do not do a silo structure as your SEO strategy, then this may not be something that you know what I'm talking about, but you have a main ranking page, and then underneath it are supporting articles that's not the topic of today. Let me keep going on this Mirage SEO strategy for 2020. So we have another main ranking page, and then we have another supporting article and a supporting article. This is SC. So what we want to do to create the Mirage effect, to create a powerful PBN within the site that no one can find, well, could be found, but a way to hide your links, a way to increase the power. What if you were to duplicate this entire site? So what if we just took this? We have our homepage. We have our contact page. We have a main ranking page. We built our silo. We built our silo. We have our supporting content, our silo. But this is exact duplicate of this page right here, right? Of all these pages. Each of these are an exact duplicate of this page here, of this. So this equals this. This is a direct duplicate of the entire site, but we build all links to the duplicate pages, powering up each page because we know that the rel canonical passes power to the original. It's all within the same site. So we're passing all links to here. We're passing them to the home. It's canonical to the home. We're passing links to the facts. I don't know that you would, but I'm just going over as demonstration. And this is canonical to the facts. But more so, we're passing links into the bottom of this silo structure, equaling, let's get red here, canonicalling to this silo, rel canonical right to here. We're building links to the duplicate canonicaled to here. We're building links to our main page. I'm sure you're understanding. The rel canonical is passing juice. We're building a duplicate of the exact site, of the entire site, or more so, your main ranking pages and your silo, building links to the duplicate, rel canonicaling it to the main, passing all power, hiding the links. And this is something that I actually shared with my group months ago. So if you're interested in learning about tips and strategies of this caliber, if you're interested in higher rankings, if you're interested in SEO strategy, SEO strategies, increasing your rankings in 2020, SEO, off-page SEO, local SEO, really anything SEO or digital marketing related, please leave any questions that you have in the comments below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next SEO strategy, how to get higher rankings video. Have a wonderful day.